How to cure pneumonia through natural treatment. Pneumonia is a bacterial infection of the lungs that can be acute or severe. In normal cases, it is treated at home by the use of antibiotics, but in a more severe case, the patient is hospitalized. Children are at a higher risk of getting pneumonia because of their weak immune system. What are the symptoms of pneumonia? The common symptoms of pneumonia include cold, flu, breathing problem, cough-producing mucus, loss of appetite, nausea, chest pain during cough, irritation and high fever. If you have any of these symptoms, then you need to consult with the doctor. In the case of bacterial pneumonia, your doctor will treat it using antibiotics, but viral pneumonia, which is more common in children, is treated by the use of cough suppressants. Pneumonia treatment at home. People with any kind of lung problem must consult a doctor immediately, and the doctor will look for the symptoms of pneumonia. Through blood tests, he can find out any kind of bacterial infection, or the person has to go through chest X-ray to find out the spread of this infection. The doctor prescribes antibiotics that take time to recover. However, you can cure pneumonia through natural treatment as well. In today's video, I will discuss about 8 natural home remedies to treat pneumonia at home. Number 1. Take good care of your hygiene. The best way to cure pneumonia is to follow good hygiene habits. Commonly, any bacterial infection spreads through being unhygienic. Wash your hands using antibacterial soap. Do not share your cutlery, tissue paper, toys, and any other items, as this can increase the risk of getting pneumonia. Number 2. Gargle with salt water. One of the easiest home remedies is to gargle using salt water. This will help you to reduce the irritation in your chest and throat. The mucus in your throat is also eliminated when you gargle using warm salt water. Number 3. Take rest. People suffering from pneumonia must take lots of rest to get better. You need to get off from your work so that you can have some extra sleep. When you take extra rest, then it will boost the immune system and help you a lot in fighting with this infection. Number 4. Using humidifiers. When the air is in your surrounding is moist, then you can breathe easily. Otherwise, in a dry environment, it will be difficult for you to breathe. The use of humidifier will help you to reduce your lung irritation. Number 5. Increase fluid intake. Being enough hydrated is the key to beat this infection. You must drink water for the whole day from time to time. When the fluid intake will increase, then the person can recover faster. Number 6. Take herbal tea. Herbal tea is very beneficial to soothe your throat irritation. There are so many herbal teas that we can prepare at your home, such as peppermint tea, fenugreek tea, or eucalyptus tea. Using any herbal tea helps to break down the mucus, and in this way, you are relieved from inflammation in the chest. Number 7. Use of raw honey, ginger and lemon. Honey, ginger and lemon are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. You can prepare a warm drink using these 3 ingredients, as this will help you to fight with this lung infection. Number 8. Lukewarm compress. You can take a bath in lukewarm water to get fast recovery. If you cannot take a bath, then it is better to get a lukewarm water compress. For that, you can use a towel soaked in lukewarm water and apply it throughout your body.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.